Well, hi there pluckers, Ivysaur Fingers again with something slightly different for you this time. It's a solo. Yes, it's Baby I'm a Want To by Bread solo, okay. I don't normally do solos because basically solo playing, lead playing is not my forte. But I've had many requests over the last few months for this particular solo, so I thought I'd relent and have a go at it for you and share it with you, okay. It's not that difficult, actually, it's fairly slow, okay. So what we're doing is we're in standard tuning and we're doing it in the original key of the original single, okay. My lesson, which I made several months ago now, is actually based on a live performance by the band, and they actually played the song a key higher than the original single. So this is back into the original key of the original single, okay. So starts off with a standard tune guitar on the 6th fret of the 5th string, okay. 4 hits on that. I'm playing it with my 3rd finger, you'll see why in a second. Okay, down, up, down, up. Then we hit it again and we slide it up to the 8th fret on the 5th string, followed by the 6th fret of the 4th string. Okay, so got that. Hit it again, slide up to the 8th fret, and then 6 on the 4th. Okay, the next bit is very simple, just an 8th fret of the 4th string to the 6th, back to the 6th. So, okay, next bit is on the original, is played on electric obviously, and there's a bend involved. Well, bending wound strings on acoustic is not something I tend to do, so I'm sliding it rather than bending it, and so you'll get this. That's instead of a bend, okay. So I'm playing the 4th string, hitting it on the 8th fret, sliding it up to 10 and back to 8. Back to the 6th on the 4th, to the 8th on the 5th, back to the 6th on the 4th. So it's okay, so the whole thing so far slowly. Okay, then what we do is we go up to the 8th on the 4th and we hit it, and then we hit it again. And we slide it up to the 10th on the 4th. And then we hit the 8th on the 3rd. Okay? So now we've got this. Got that? So hit again, slide. Ending up on the 8th on the 3rd there. Okay? Then we do 10 on the 3rd, back to 8 on the 3rd, and then to 10 on the 4th. Right? Okay, got that? So far slowly. Okay, happy with that? Right, here we go. Then we do this. Right, that's basically 11th fret of the 2nd string to the 9th fret on the 2nd string to the 10th fret of the 3rd to the 8th fret on the 3rd. Okay, so now we've got this. Bop, 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 bop. Okay, then we do this. 2 of those, and that's basically a slide from the 10th fret of the 4th string to the 8th fret of the 4th string and then you play the 6th fret of the 4th string, and you do that twice. Okay, so now we've got this slowly. Got that? Right. Next bit is that's 8th fret of the 5th string. Right, so after the to the 6th fret of the 8th string, so it's 8th fret of the 5th string to the 6th fret of the 5th string, and then you hit that 6th fret of the 5th string again and slide it up to the 8th fret. So it's and then the 6th fret of the 4th string. So that is right. 8th on the 5th, 6th on the 5th, hit the 5th, that one again, and slide it back up to the 8th, and then finally on this bit the 6th fret of the 4th string. So now so far, nearly there. Final bit is that, and all that is basically a bottom E string, 6th fret, hammer up to the 8th fret, hammer up to the 8th fret from the 6th fret on the bottom E string, then play the 6th fret of the 5th string back to the 8th fret of the bottom E string. So, and then slide that down to the 6th fret on the bottom E string. And the final note, 4th fret of the bottom E string. And then we're into the next part of the song, okay? So let's try the whole thing very slowly, okay? So there you have it, boys and girls. Normal speed is something, it's not particularly fast, it's something like that. Okay, so there you have it. Hopefully that'll help you play that solo. Don't forget, standard tune guitar. This should match up with the original single version of the song, okay? Thanks very much for watching and listening. See you in the next lesson. Bye.